Welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. This video is going to be special. When we walk around Kolkata during Durga Pujas, outside most pandals we find this particular plant being sold. This is called Selaginella bryopteris, and this plant probably finds mention in our ancient mythic texts as the Sanjeevani Booti, or the plant which is capable of restoring life to a dead person. Well, whether this plant really has life restorative capacity is a subject of debate, but what this plant really looks like and how it changes its appearance is what will be the subject of my video today. So to carry out that, I will take a container and I'll pour water in that container and I'll submerge this plant in it for 24 hours. Well, that is the direction that has been given to me by the shopkeeper, and see how the appearance of this plant changes. So keep watching this video till the end. This is the result after 10 minutes. The plant is visibly greener. After around 4 hours, the clumped formation in the bundle is slowly beginning to open up. I'll change this water a bit because the water has become all very muddy, and I'll fill this container to the brim. This is the result after 8 hours. The leaves have really opened up. As you can see, there are bright patches of green that can be seen in the otherwise dead looking bundle. Some portions are still brown, but with time I think they will open up. So wow, after 16 hours, this is the result. You see, the bundle has almost opened up and it almost resembles a mini tree in its structure and in its look. After 20 hours, this is the result. This is how the plant is looking like, but I still feel that the plant needs to open up a bit more. So I will keep it in water, submerged in water like this for a bit longer, and then come back to you with the final results. So this is the final result. I have poured out all the water and this is how the plant looks like. I think it derives its name from the fact that it can rejuvenate itself from an almost dead condition. Now, what the mythology states is a subject of debate, as I already told you, but as far as the name of this plant is concerned, it is definitely a plant which has the Sanjeevani aspect, or the aspect of coming back to life from being almost dead. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun in compiling this DIY for you. For any queries, please feel free to comment below. I have learned through my research that this plant has certain medicinal properties, but this can do well as a house plant, and you can store the plant like this in water.